Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to use pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. Download any image and open it in Illustrator. Pen tool is so powerful tool, to trace any image or to draw outline of an image. Now we will see, how to trace the image by using pen tool. First select the pen tool. Let's start tracing this image. Start with the first anchor point here, and point your second dot to make a line, like this. Now select the last anchor point, before you draw the second line. By selecting back the anchor point will make the line move towards specific direction as we want. Make the fill color to none, so that you can see the image in the background. To draw an arch like this, select this middle part of the arch, now click, hold and drag the mouse button to form a half circle. Repeat the step to draw another arc like this. Here you cannot make a selection, on the line which is already drawn. So to solve this, hold Shift key on the keyboard, then start drawing on the line which is already drawn. Here also you can see, if I click this anchor point to draw a new line, it will delete that anchor point, which is previously drawn. To draw a new anchor point there, you must hold Shift key and add a new anchor point. Like this way, you can continue drawing lines and curves, with the help of pen tool. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials. Click the bell icon to get notification.